कौन है बघेल? ये क्या एडिशनल एसपी है?
हाँ
सामने आओ। अब जितना सवाल पूछे उतना जवाब दो और ज्यादा हमें आंख में आंख देखने की जरूरत नहीं है तुमको। समझ में आया? These are the black sheeps in the police department who are defaming the police establishments. और ये एडिशनल एसपी है। क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
सर तेरसी है बघेल।
They are the persons fit to be compulsory retired by way of penalty. Mr. Raghuvanshi,
सर।
who was SHO on 18/11/19? Who was the SHO and SP?
SIT के है बघेल साहब थे सर।
कौन है बघेल? ये क्या एडिशनल एसपी है?
हाँ
सामने आओ। ये स्टेटमेंट तुमने रिकॉर्ड किया है?
जी सर।
फिर क्या हुआ इसके बाद?
सर स्टेटमेंट की जो तथ्य बताए उसकी तस्दीक के संबंध
ये
में-
बात लिखी है ना इसमें कि उसने फैक्ट कहा कि मैंने उस लड़की का रेप किया, मर्डर किया और नाले में बहा दिया।
तालाब में बात
ये लिखा है ना इसमें?
हाँ डीमरेज स्टाफ डैम किनारे
लिखा है ना
लिखा है
27 के मेमो में?
ये सर।
हाँ, इसके बाद क्या किया आपने?
सर ये सोनू कलावत द्वारा जो तथ्य बताए उसकी तस्दीक हमने सबसे पहले की है सर कि जो स्थान बताया वहाँ पर जाके पूरी टीम तलाश की तो क्या एविडेंस है उसमें, क्या साथ वहाँ पर है घटनास्थल पर।
मुझे ये बताओ, ये अभय अखंड प्रताप सिंह वहां कब पहुंचा? इसकी स्टेटमेंट बाद ही आया ना। कब पहुंचे तुम वहां पर?
मैं नहीं गया तो 6/12/17 के बाद मैं दोबारा कभी नहीं गया।
नहीं, तुम गुना कब पहुंचे?
गुना में पहुंचा सर जून 2019।
हाँ, तो ये इसके जाने के बाद स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड हुआ है नवंबर 19 में।
मेरे समक्ष नहीं हुआ ना मेरे को इसमें संबंध में जानकारी।
तुम तो गुना में थे ना उस वक्त?
यातायात में था सर, फिर पुलिस लाइन में था।
ठीक है। अब जितना सवाल पूछे उतना जवाब दो और ज्यादा हमें आंख में आंख देखने की जरूरत नहीं है तुमको। समझ में आया? मिस्टर श्रीवास्तव, आफ्टर दिस स्टेटमेंट व्हाट हैपेंड?
कल आज ये
तलाशी हुआ है।
रिपोर्ट पेश की है, ब्रीफ पेश किया है ना। आज में उसने लिख दिया कि सोनू करावत के संबंध में गलती की, उसके विरुद्ध कोई एविडेंस नहीं पाया गया, इसलिए उनके विरुद्ध हम कार्रवाई करने में असमर्थ हैं। अब सर जो जिसपे एलिगेशन इन्होंने लगाए 302 के, वो इन्होंने फिर कह दिया कि हम नहीं कार्रवाई कर सकते। जिसपे एलिगेशन मैंने द्वारा कोर्ट में लगाए थे वहाँ इन्होंने इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया नहीं। लड़की का आज भी पता नहीं कि अब हुआ क्या, क्योंकि जो उम्मीद बंधी थी कि एक यहाँ पे 302 का केस बनते हुए कोई जांच होगी तो वो जांच यहाँ खत्म होगी,
और उधर जीतू के
वो बरी होगी।
स्टेटमेंट पे उसके खिलाफ चालान पेश कर दिया
पेश कर दिया केवल
और
27
यहाँ पर 27 के मेमो में स्टेटमेंट आया
कुछ नहीं कर रहे,
और ये बोलते हैं हम इसके खिलाफ कोई प्रमाण नहीं मिला।
नहीं कर पा रहे। ये आज पेश
दिस इज द डबल स्टैंडर्ड मेंटेन्ड। इसी केस में सारे एग्जांपल्स मिल जाएंगे आपको। जिसमें चाहा वही सब्जेक्टिविटी आ गई ना। जिसमें चाहा उसमें चालान पेश कर दिया और जिसमें चाहा उसमें चालान पेश नहीं किया। धारा 27 का मेमो दोनों में है। एक बोलता है मेरे साथ में थी तो उसको तो चालान पेश कर दिया। एक बोलता है मैंने उसका रेप किया, उसका मर्डर किया, उसको नाले में बहाया, उसके खिलाफ कोई एविडेंस नहीं है आपके पास। ये आपका कंडक्ट है। और ये एडिशनल एसपी है। क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
सर तेरसी है बघेल।
दे आर द पर्सन्स फिट टू बी कंपल्सरी रिटायर्ड बाय वे ऑफ पेनल्टी or to be the government can be still be more harsh while dismissing them from service. These are the black sheeps in the police department who are defaming the police establishments. Mr. Verma, you must take a call. Remove these persons with harsh penalties. They don't deserve to be in police force. क्यों नहीं किया चालान पेश तुमने? और क्यों किया तुमने चालान पेश जितेंद्र वाले केस में? कोई जवाब नहीं है तुम्हारे पास। ये मर्जी है, जिस केस में चाहे उसमें चालान पेश करेंगे, जो चाहेंगे नहीं करेंगे। ज्यादा संगीन अपराध तो इसका था जिसने खुद स्टेटमेंट दिया। और आज जस्टिफाई कर रहे हो यहाँ पे आकर के, पूरा अमला आके बैठा हुआ है यहाँ पे। ये हरकतें हैं आपकी, हरकतें ही कहूंगा मैं तो इसको। ये बोनाफाइड डिस्चार्ज ऑफ ड्यूटी नहीं है, हरकत है आपकी।
क्लियर कट 201 का ऑफेंस है।
एलिमिनेशन,
डिस्ट्रॉय ऑफ एविडेंस,
यस, एलिमिनेशन ऑफ एविडेंस।
क्लियर कट ऑफेंस है।
हाँ, and he was SIT member or chief,
He was head of the.
head of the SIT. And then you say, sir, we have constituted 5 SITs or 3 SITs?
3 SIT
3 years.
3 SITs. ये रिजल्ट है आपके SIT का। तो थाने में क्या होता हो? अब बताओ जरा, ये अखंड प्रताप सिंह के खिलाफ बताओ क्या क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
इनके खिलाफ वही है कि इन्होंने कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया ही नहीं। जो इंटायर मैंने
वो जब 18 में था वहां।
यस,
हाँ
उसके बाद इन्होंने चालान पेश कर दिया।
हाँ
और चालान में केवल धारा 27 का मेमो आया था।
हाँ,
मैं लॉर्ड साहब को ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि इन्होंने अरेस्ट ही क्यों किया जब
कुछ नहीं किया इन्होंने, कुछ नहीं किया।
कुछ नहीं किया।
टेक नोट ऑफ दीज फैक्ट्स।
अब सर उसके
In one case, no steps were taken in the matter of investigation, and challan was filed. Allegations you have heard against him. You have seen the court order sheet. You have seen the conduct of the SP, not for submitting a report of inquiry. He has not even touched the papers. And then, what was the justification of send this man again, maybe in a different office? What was the justification? What was so much of Guna was in need of such an outstanding officer? From where was he sent to Guna again?
Gwalior to Guna.
From Gwalior to Guna. Why was he sent? Let us understand this fact also. Why was he sent here? Well, there at Guna. And that too only after 6 to 7 months. Mr. Raghuvanshi, you also make note of it. On the next date, we want to hear all these facts. We must reach to a logical end, no matter how much time we spend on this case. But we are really at pains. A poor man can only lament. Where that girl would be, in what shape she would be, whether she is alive or not, we do not know. Perceive a situation as if she was our daughters. Now, what is your steps to be taken now?
Not so far as the statement made by the other side that we have said that there was nothing against that, my lord. That is, we have never said, my lord, in our status report.
All said and done, you have not taken any steps against Sonu also.
that
Now,
I can
what are
identify.
you going to do?
My lord, so far as Sonu is concerned, my lord, we applied for narco test. That was rejected. Then we applied.
I'm asking you what steps you want to take now.
Now, my lord, so far as the this Sonu is concerned, my lord,
How you want to go about it now? You have let off Jitendra. He got the seal of acquittal from the court of law. He is now scot-free. Sonu, you have given him the warm send-off.
so far as, my lord, Jitendra is concerned, my lord, we have.
I'm not talking about anybody.
Sir,
I'm only concerned with the status as regard the corpus. You
This-
come back to the point. Give me how you are going to go about to find out the corpus of the missing girl, live or dead.
so far as, my lord, because that this Sonu's confession is there, my lord.
You please give us status whether she is living or she is dead. Then we will start taking action. Please give us a report if she is living or she is dead. and come back, we are going to reach to a flawless logical end,
Yes.
because we owe accountability towards public at large. These persons have reposed faith and trust upon us, and we as constitutional authorities owe an obligation to the public to protect them against any invasion on their personal life and liberty.
If my
It's a
lord,
clear case of violation of Article 21. Clear case. And we cannot leave this case halfway. Therefore, ensure that you come back with the fact and don't try to mix up the facts. Come clear. Sir, this is the position. She is living, she is here, or she is dead. And of course, I want a complete dossier of the action being taken against these erring officials who either have been superintendent of police or subordinate staff, including members of the SIT. And it should not be a mere lip service. Read the police regulations, ascertain their derelictions, and frame charges accordingly.
I'll advise them.
And come back with what I have said today. I don't want to write a long order sheet.
So can it be, my lord, we pass forward up to 2:30. I'll at 2:30.
All right, 2:30 you come.
I'll seek instruction and I.
Why not tomorrow? You better come tomorrow.
Since the officers are here, my lord, I can
Mr. Verma is posted in Gwalior only.
take.
Who else has come?
No, so, if my lord will have, we in need of assistance of these officers, so all these officers are here.
SP Guna can come tomorrow also. What is wrong?
No, there is no.
What information you want to supply today?
Today, my lord, in respect of what further action against Sonu can be taken. Just now, I'll seek instruction.
You first take proper briefing on this count. Because whatever you say, I will record it.
Actually, my
And
lord,
any deviation therefrom will be taken a strong exception to. And don't say anything with reference to that since court has taken exception
No,
to the
that's
conduct.
That's not, my lord.
Because now you have to address the problem yourself.
Yes, yes. It is my
Because
lord's.
it's a serious question to be addressed. Why did you let off?
No,
Sonu.
Otherwise, the entire action vitiates sometime because by writing.
Why
that
did
it
you
is
let
done
off
by-
Sonu?
But our problem, if my lord may hear for a moment,
Huh? Why movement? You have hours together. We are here up to 4:30.
we have recorded the confession of Sonu. Then, in pursuant to that, my lord, we take that given place. We found only 2 bones. We sent it to FSL. FSL report comes that it is of animal. Now we are there, my lord, to collect some. I'll just complete one. And whatever ultimately my lord's direction, I'll understand and then I'll ask them to. Then, on the basis of FSL report, my lord, the action could not be taken against him because only confession is not sufficient to charge him by.
You are arguing against yourself.
My submission is. So now the situation is, my lord.
I mean,
that,
give some sensible justification.
sir,
You are arguing against yourself.
now that is, my lord. But what is the problem of the investigation agency?
So
That
therefore,
we are
don't
collecting.
detain us. Don't detain us. What you want to do? We want to know the status of the girl. How you want to do it? That's your choice.
I'll find out.
That is your choice. We will not say you take action against A or B. We are concerned with the status of the girl, missing girl, living or dead. That's all.
That I.
And then we will take a decision how to go about it. You can come 2:30 if you want to come, you come, but I would say that you take 2 or 3 days time. Take proper instruction, again come back. It's your choice.
Can it be in the next week?
Your choice. I'll give you a date, but take proper instructions. What would be the roadmap?
I'll take it.
When do you want it?
In the next week, not any date.
25th. Also कोई केस से फिक्स नहीं 25th को 25 कोई केस फिक्स तो नहीं 25th.
Right.
देखिए so and so for the petitioner, additional advocate general रघुवंशी साहब का नाम आएगा, फिर वर्मा साहब का नाम आएगा. You write श्रीकांत वर्मा, श्रीनिवास वर्मा, additional DGP. Mr. SP Guna, what's your name?
Pankaj Srivastava.
Pankaj Srivastava, SP Guna. And any other officer of the rank of SP, IPS officer?
Yes.
Only 2 of you, along with subordinate staff of District Guna, District Police Guna, are present. Hearing though commenced, but could not be concluded, as Shri Raghuvanshi, on instructions, prays for more time to place on record the course of action required to be undertaken in the matter of tracing the status of the missing corpus of MS Geeta, living or dead. So, before parting with the case today, we record our dissatisfaction with the status report submitted in terms of today. That's all. Call out on 25th. All right, 25th. Next.
सर लास्ट डेट पे एक क्वारी और हुई थी कि 3 SIT गठित हुई थी, वो क्यों भंग हुई, उसका रीजन भी इनको देना थी ना, कुछ स्पष्टीकरण दिया नहीं उसका.
Acha. Anyway, you also take note of it.
That's it.